Hi, Stephen here again from Adsafe Doors with another sliding door repair. Now this time we have a door from the 80s, 70s, 80s. It's in mission brown. It's got a distinct brown colour about it. That dates it as a 70s, 80s door, and it's not running very well, is it,
That's
Bernard?
correct, yes, not really smooth at all.
Not happy with it?
Not happy with it, yes.
Family not happy with it?
That's correct, yes.
And let's have a look and show me how bad it's running.
When we push it really hard, you can hear the rubbing sound.
Yeah, give it a good push, moving it backwards and forwards a bit for us.
You can see the rubbing sound.
Yeah.
That's pretty bad.
And if you have a look down here with the camera, you can see that the door is actually resting. It's gone through the track, is resting on the threshold down the bottom there, and Bernard's had to put a bit of oil down there to get it to move. So what we need to do is we need to machine or clean it and machine that back, and then we'll put a stainless steel track down over the top of it, and a new set of rollers in the door, and then it'll move along with your little finger.
That will be, sounds really good.
How does that sound?
Sounds good. Pretty interesting.
Right, right, okay. Well, we'll do that and then we'll come back and have a look at it when it's finished and see how well it runs. Okay, so we've taken the wheels out of this door, Bernard's door. Let's have a look at how they look. Ball bearings are all over the shop. Not totally worn out, and wheel split on that one, totally worn out. Okay, this is the bottom of Bernard's door, and you can see how the rollers, there's a big flat spot there on the ball bearing where it's been wearing because it hasn't been going around for a long time, and that's, have a look at the other one, you can see that. That's pretty similar, but what's happened here is these rollers haven't been going around, the tyres just worn out, and the ball bearing, or what's left of it, is just scraping along the aluminium track, cutting it up. So it's always better to get your rollers replaced before they get to be really bad, so that you do minimal damage to your track. Your rollers are like the tyres on your car. They wear out, and so you should replace them. You wouldn't drive your car after your tyres are worn out and they were flat and you just drag along the road, sort of thing. It's the same with the rollers on your door. So there you go. We'll fix that up and put in some double rollers and it'll look beautiful and run beautifully. So we've fixed up this door. It's sliding very well. Let's have a little bit of a demonstration. Remember how it was rattling along? Now it's sliding beautifully. Locking beautifully. And so this old door has, with a new track, new rollers, been rejuvenated, and this will run for many, many years, probably another 20 years. Keep the track clean. Don't put oil in the track, is very important. Replace the rollers whenever they wear out on any doors, so that you don't wear out the rollers and then scrape it along the track with the ball bearing. Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll ask Bernard to come along, see what he thinks, and he'll give us an opinion. So, Bernard, what do you think?
Yeah, it looked pretty good. I mean, really happy with the way that you're fixing it. That's fantastic.
Good.
I'm happy with that.
Good.
Sliding pretty smooth, not like before. I'm really happy.
Give it a few slides and.
Yeah, I recommend you. Next time if it's happening again, I will call you there for sure.
Righto. Okay.
So, all good.
Right, as long as you're happy with it. Now we give you a warranty with all of this.
Yep.
You've got my card. If it plays up, you give me a ring, and we'll come back and sort out what has to be done for you. But I think you'll find this will go well. Tell the family not to slam it, and just to move it by the handle, lock it reasonably gently on all doors, all sliding doors, and they'll last you a lot longer.
That's right.
Keep the track clean, no oil. Okay?
Oh, good. Thank you.
There we
Thanks
are.
a lot. Thank you.